Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Just maybe, Abba Kyari, the suspended Super Cop Abba Kyari, may breathe just a little bit a sigh of relief as the police officer in charge of his case have kicked the bucket and many more things are unfolding. Nigerians are asking questions. What happened? Why now? Why when things are beginning to unfold? In a moment, you're going to find out exactly what led to his arrest and what people are saying generally and what may be the fate of others. But before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Behind it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let's go straight into the news of the day. Joseph Ibonike, that's DIG, investigating Abba Kyari's case, slums and dies in Abuja. The Deputy Inspector General, that's the full meaning of DIG, the Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of the Force Criminal Investigations Department, that's Joseph Ibonike, is dead. May his soul rest in peace. But according to the news, the late DIG Ibonike hails from Onitsha in Anambra State and was, until his death, the most senior police officer from the southeast, as the southeast region of the country. The most senior. My God. He reportedly slumped and died in his office in Abuja in the late hours of Tuesday, March 8. LLB Honors, BL Masters in International Law and Diplomacy, MILD, and a PhD in Criminology. He's well read. Well, according to the news, he also headed the Special Investigation Panel consisted by the Inspector General of Police, Usman Baba, to investigate suspended head of the Police Intelligence Response Team, that's Abba Kyari, after being indicted by the Department of Justice in a money laundering case. Ibonike holds Bachelor as well of Honors in Accounting degree from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, as well as Bachelors of Laws. My God, this man is well read. The late DIG represented the Nigerian Police Force accounts and budget in Police Mortgage Bank PLC. He was also on the board of the Nigerian Police Force Property Development and Construction Company Limited. He's well read. May his gentle soul rest in peace. You need to hear what people are saying concerning this. A lot of people don't think it's normal. But we're going to go through the comments uncensored. This one here is saying they don't kill him. This one say, okay, R.I.P., rest in peace, sir. This one here say they have killed him to free Abba Kyari, but they have not yet freed Abba Kyari now, guys. Of course, there's that kind of very sensitive case. Those involved need to be very more careful, more security conscious, and it's even the most senior, most well-read, most senior police officer from the southeast, which means if he had stayed longer, maybe he would have grown in rank and file if they were to consider anyone in the police department for a special position. Alas, he's already gone. This one here say they have killed him same way they killed Kenyan ambassador. How did you know? Elenu. This one here say, how many times would they tell you that Nigeria is not for you? This one here saying Fulanis don't have respect for human lives. How did you know it's a Fulani man that killed him? Please, these are all, when we talk, except to have a fact, throwing allegations at people, I don't think is actually wise. Personal opinion though. If you have your fact, or just if you're assuming, say you're assuming, not to say with so much knowledge as if you're there, you're so sure it was the Fulanis that killed him. Yes, a sensitive case like this, anything is possible. Everything is possible, really. That's why you have to be security conscious in cases as sensitive as this. But it doesn't mean that you may be looking left, it's the right actually that's happening. A lot of people feel also that he could be having underlying illness that may have caused him to slumber in his office. I guess they should carry out an investigation on his death as well. This one here is saying the reward of dirty job, police must police well. This one here is saying spiritual remains is real. This one here is saying next time, never you play with canaries or Fulani, they can turn you into anything. May his soul rest in peace. You will never see something. That's the real African magic. Hope is not what I'm thinking. As in, they feel that they threw him African magic, as in some sort of jazz, spiritual conji that made him die. Well, anything is possible in Nigeria, really, anything. This one here says, so sad, you died with an integrity doing your job. May your soul find rest in God's abode. I say a big amen to that. A big amen. A lot of people are of the opinion that this is more spiritual, as in if he truly died by slumming, that means there's more that meets the eyes than what we are saying. They are of the opinion also that maybe they have conducted some jazz. Whether they conduct or not, Kyari is still under investigation, although his colleagues who were also indicted in the case has pleaded guilty. He himself has pleaded not guilty. Well, it depends on the dynamics of his legal powers, his legal team. If his defense team has, they have intelligence luminaries in his defense team, he may walk away a free man in Nigeria. But I can assure you, if he steps his feet to the United States, I don't think he will walk away free man. All the things they've indicted him, they're just generally waiting. A whole lot of Nigerians feel that this man must have died in the course of action, whether spiritually or physically, but it's unconnected to natural death. But then you're forgetting also, very quickly, I'm chipping this in now personally, that a tedious and hectic job like this, you may be going every day. If you're not careful to check your heart rate, to check all the things you eat, you're stressed. You can imagine the portfolio is holding for police force. Anything and everything could have possibly have happened. That is from natural to normal health or medical issues. It may or may not even be related to Kyari's case, Abba Kyari case. It may be related, but I feel that also it may also not be related. Because the truth is, man looks normal until a thorough medical checkup is carried out in a man. That's when you begin to know that there may be underlying illness. Some persons say it is spiritual issues. Well, I also believe in spiritual controlling the physical, and I also believe that a man of that magnitude, DIG, should have some level of spiritual connections or spiritual backups too, that will not leave him ordinary. Well, that's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in that comment section, please. What's your take? Do have it.